SoFi versus Chase. Which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which financial institution is better among SoFi and Chase. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with SoFi. SoFi offers banking, investing, loans, and insurance, providing an all in one financial solution. No account fees for checking and savings accounts, helping you save money. Competitive interest rates on savings accounts and cash management accounts. Provides competitive rates that can help borrowers reduce their interest payments and pay off loans faster. Includes career coaching, financial planning, and exclusive events. SoFi operates primarily as an online bank with no physical branches, which may be a drawback for users who prefer in person banking services. Less advanced than some specialized brokers. It has strict eligibility criteria for loans and refinancing, which may limit access for some potential borrowers. Now, let's come towards Chase. Chase has a large network of physical branches and accounts, providing in person banking services. Offers a wide range of financial services, including banking, credit cards, loans, and investment products. Features a well developed mobile app with a comprehensive suite of banking and financial tools. Provides various rewards and cashback programs on credit cards and other financial products. Known for a strong customer service network with both online and in branch support. Somehow, Chase charges additional fees for certain services, such as wire transfers or out of network ATM usage. Typically offers lower interest rates on savings accounts compared to some online banks. May charge monthly fees for certain accounts unless specific conditions are met. Choosing between SoFi and Chase depends on your specific financial needs and preferences. SoFi is ideal if you prefer an online bank with comprehensive financial services and no account fees, while Chase offers the advantage of physical branches, a broad range of services, and robust rewards programs. Consider your banking habits, need for in person service, and the importance of additional financial products to determine which platform aligns best with your goals. That's all for this video.